Hey, so if you're a student in college or high school, then you might be using Google Classroom to manage your assignments. And the cool thing is that you can sync your assignments and school stuff over from Google Classroom over to the Wick app. And this way, you can have all of your school stuff and your external non-school events all in one single calendar, since you can also sync Wick with Apple Calendar, Outlook, and so on.
So you just go here to your Google Classroom landing page, press the calendar button, then click the Google Apps button, press calendar, then you click settings up here and press on your Google Classroom class and scroll down to this portion here that may say public or secret address and iCal, and just copy that over.
And once you've got that link copied, you can go back to the Wick app, just press the settings button here, press the add button right under the assignment feed section, and just input the link that you just copied. And once you've synced up, you'll see here in the task section that all of your assignments have successfully imported over. You can even view those tasks grouped up by due date priority or by class. And I see here that this OChem task is quite important, so I'll add a priority star next to it so that I won't forget about this task. Next up, if I head over to the plan section, I can even drag all of those unscheduled tasks into my calendar so that I now know exactly when to work on them so I don't fall behind. And now, when I go to the Home tab, I see all of my priorities for today neatly and easily laid out for me to see, and Wick will also text me via SMS when it's time to lock in on these tasks. So yeah, if you want to see your Google Classroom tasks and events all in the same place as your other imported stuff from Outlook or Apple Calendar or any other feed, then be sure to sync your Google Classroom with Wick. And Wick will become the single place where your assignments and all of your other tasks and events from other areas of your life all coexist. Anyway, thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tips on how to get the most out of Wick. Thank you.